Hello YouTube land! Welcome back to another comic book video from the Comic Book Ninja. This is actually part 2 of my Mega Haul video. If you've seen my first one, I was cut off because I ran out of memory space. So I'm calling this part 2 of my Mega Haul, Mega Grail video. And the first book you see here is Weird Science number 18, and it's got a great classic Wallywood cover. It's pretty nice, fine plus, and it's retained its gloss and its colors very well over the years for a book from the early 1950s. Great UFO cover. And interesting about this, when I got it, this was an eBay purchase, it came with the mailing envelope that it came in when EC sent out the comics through their subscription service. You see their address. So it's pretty cool. It came with the original envelope that it came with. Next we have Wonder Woman number 84. Nice VG copy, doppelganger cover. You see my previous videos, I love doppelganger covers. Now we go to some graded books. This is Spider-Woman number 20, CBCS graded 9.6. And what's significant about this book is this is the very first meeting between Spider-Man and Spider-Woman. I know it's not big for a lot of people, I guess, for a lot of collectors. It's still relatively cheap if you can when you can find it. But it's a big book in my opinion, because it's the first meeting between the spiders, man and woman. So there you go. Next we have, gotta get used to this new stand, Adventure Comics number 428, CGC graded 9.0. Origin first appearance of the Black Orchid, who is the one of the members of Justice League Dark. Next we have Saga the Swamp Thing number 37, CGC graded 9.6, the first appearance of John Constantine. XMen number 9, CBCS graded 7.5. It's the very first meeting between the X-Men and the Avengers, and it's also the first appearance of Lucifer. Next we have Hawkman number 4, CGC graded 6.0, first appearance of Zatanna. She's also a member of Justice League Dark now. Cool Murphy Anderson cover. Strange Adventures number 205, CGC graded 7.5, First appearance of Deadman, another member of Justice League Dark. You see a trend here. Next, we have Batman 234, CGC grade 9.0. The first appearance of Two-Face since the Golden Age. Even though the label says it's the first Silver Age appearance of Two-Face, this book came out in 1971, which is, you know, I guess I would still call it a Bronze Age book. It's debatable, but it's a really nice copy, 9.0, Batman 234, with a great Neil Adams cover. Finally, my Mega Grail is Amazing Spider-Man #1. This is a really nice fine minus copy. I've always wanted a copy of this. It has a tape stain on the top there, but otherwise it's pretty beautiful. It's pretty nice. It's unrestored. I bought it. I won it on a bid on eBay, and I won it from a very reputable dealer, so I'm pretty sure it's unrestored. The only the main thing that detracts from the book is the tape stain, but other than that, it's really nice copy. It's a book I always wanted. I originally wanted to get an Amazing Fantasy 15, but you know, that was way out of my league. I'm never gonna get a Amazing Fantasy 15 unless it's like a 0.5 to maybe a 2.0 book, CGC graded book. But I'm really happy to have this book. Fun fact: at one time, Amazing Spider-Man #1 was worth more than Amazing Fantasy 15. I think this was in the late 1970s that Amazing Spider-Man was actually worth more than Amazing Fantasy. But that's changed a lot since then. So there you have it. I hope you liked this video. Sorry if you've seen the first video, I was cut off. But this is the second part of my Mega Grail pickups. So this is the Comic Book Ninja signing off.